It's heartening to note that a few of our predictions have come true and have turned into reality. We had predicted simplification of the tax laws with specific reference to TDS and TCS provisions, and we have seen an announcement to this effect. The other prediction that we had done was with specific reference to the government laying out a framework for the tax authorities to complete an assessment. And we've seen the first step in this direction, more particularly on the indirect tax side. We had also said that the government will extend the tax exemption to sovereign wealth funds, and that again has come true. Besides this, the focus on the manufacturing sector with specific reference to medicines, to electronics, seafood, and other sectors, whereby India, promising to be the global manufacturing hub, has been envisaged once again in this budget. Lastly, Industry 4.0 will be a priority for the government in the coming year. Global capability centers are being developed in the Tier 2 cities, whereby we will see an overall ecosystem of townships, of schools, educational institutions, offices, as well as entertainment centers, transport, and overall development of infrastructure. Here is a chance for India to once again prove itself to the foreign investors, to retain the confidence that they have had in our country and the economy.